Welcome to this meditation for energy healing. You can practice this meditation with your eyes closed or open. Make sure you're in a quiet and comfortable place. And let's begin. Remember that you are your own healer and that you have the power and potential to heal any pain or even stagnant emotions in your body. With the power of this meditation and the energy that only you can create, you will be able to feel at peace with better energy levels in your body and deep love within yourself and this world. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your nose again. We will practice this type of breathing throughout the meditation. Inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your nose again. Feeling how the air fills your entire body. Relaxing you and help you feel in a state of peace and deep love. Continue breathing. And imagine that there's a light, a warm, bright light in the top of your head. A magical light that is released from the crown chakra on the top of your head, passing through your neck, going down to your shoulders and traveling through the rest of your back. Opening those channels of light and points of your body to receive this healing energy that you are creating. Concentrate on that light and feel how it surrounds you. On every inch of your body, from your head to your feet, passing through every corner. Let yourself be carried away by your imagination. Feel in which area that this light has more focus on which area you need it the most, and focus on it. Feel that area. Feel your own energy, your own light, and your own divine love. All of this is healing any imbalance or pain that exists, even if you are not aware of it. Any corner of your physical body that needs it. Continue breathing in through your nose and out through your nose, while you keep concentrating on each area of your body. Your feet are anchored in the floor, and you feel connected to the earth, to the universe, and to any divine power in which you believe in. Whether it's the universe, God, or another divine power that makes you feel full of light, full of peace, love, secure, protected, with faith and divine. Say thank you to that power. It's always there with you, helping you in your restful dreams and in your daily life. If you feel you need help in something specific right now, whether it's physical pain, negative thoughts, stuck emotions, resentment, forgiveness, emotional pain, whatever it is that is not letting you move forward, that makes you feel blocked in your body, in your mind, in your soul, let that higher power in which you believe in surround you. The most unconditional love and acceptance. Ask for what you need, and the power will give it to you. It's always there for you and for your greatest good. Feel like that unconditional love and light is granting you what you ask for. And is helping you release any blockage, fear, or negativity. They all just disappear. It disappears slowly, like when the clouds are passing through the sky. Feel it and observe it in your body, and you will see how it is granted by and for you. Give thanks to this divine help for being there, for supporting you, for guiding you, for helping you, and for loving you exactly just as you are. Most important thing is to remember that you're also part of that divinity, that you can ask yourself for whatever you need, whatever you want, whatever you need to heal. If you need to forgive, if you need to move forward, if you need joy, love, finances, whatever it is that you need, ask it for yourself too and believe in it. Manifest it in the present moment and power, and it will be granted to you at the right moment. Trust and believe in yourself. Continue breathing deeply through your nose and exhaling through your nose. Observe how your body is more relaxed. You feel more at peace and with more energy. Repeat the following. I love myself. I forgive myself. I value myself. I firmly believe in myself and my capabilities. I achieve everything I set my mind to. I am always protected. I am always loved and guided. Now feel how this pure love, this light, this divine energy that you have just created, you can create it at any moment of your day-to-day life. You have the power to heal yourself, to love yourself, and to achieve everything you want. Everything is within you. If you need extra support, help, guidance, never hesitate to return to this meditation or contact that higher power in which you believe in. The way you consider or the way that makes you feel good. There is no right or wrong for this. Thank you very much for joining, and thanks to yourself for this wonderful work that you have just done to grow, to evolve, to learn, to love, and to create. Have a beautiful day.